Benefits of ginger. 1. Anti-inflammatory. Helps reduce inflammation. 2. Antioxidant-rich. Contains powerful antioxidants. 3. Nausea relief. Effective against nausea and morning sickness. 4. Weight loss aid. May help with weight loss. 5. Digestion support. Promotes healthy digestion. 6. Pain reduction. May help reduce muscle pain and soreness. 7. Blood sugar regulation. Helps keep blood sugar levels steady. 8. Cholesterol control. May lower cholesterol levels. 9. Cancer prevention. Could help prevent certain types of cancer. 10. Brain function. May improve brain function and protect against Alzheimer's disease.